In this session, we are going to discuss about petroleum. Petroleum, also called crude oil. It is a thick, flammable yellow to black colored liquid, and now we have a variety of applications for petroleum product. Petroleum is obtained from sea. The word petroleum is derived from Latin. There are two words, petra and oleum. Petra means rock, oleum means oil. Currently, petroleum is the most important natural resources. We use gasoline, jet fuel and diesel fuel to run cars, trucks, aircraft, ships and other vehicles. Now we can discuss about the formation of petroleum. Petrol and diesel are obtained from a natural resource called petroleum. Now we can discuss about formation of petroleum. Petroleum was formed from organisms living in the sea. As these organisms died, their bodies settled at the bottom of the sea and got covered with layers of sand and clay. If it is covering with sand and clay, there will be high temperature and high pressure, and slowly it will convert into petroleum. Over a million of years, absence of air, high temperature and high pressure transformed the dead organisms into petroleum and natural gas. Refining of petroleum. We need to separate the components present in the petroleum. That process is known as refining of petroleum. Petroleum is a dark, oily liquid. It has an unpleasant odor. It is a mixture of petroleum gas, petrol, diesel, lubricating oil and paraffin wax. The separation of these components is known as refining of petroleum. The process of separating various constituents of petroleum is known as refining. It is carried out in a petroleum refinery. Natural gas. It is one of the components of petroleum which we are using in vehicles. It is very important fossil fuel because it is very easy to transport. It is stored under high pressure as compressed natural gas. The full form of CNG is compressed natural gas. What are the advantages of CNG? It is easy to transport. We can transport that from one place to another place using pipelines like this. It is pollution-free fuel. Compared to other fuel like diesel and petrol, it won't create that much of pollution. It is environmental friendly. Low cost compared to petrol and diesel. It is cheaper than petrol and diesel, and it will give high mileage also for the vehicle. CNG burns cleaner than other petroleum-based product because of its low carbon content. CNG is having less carbon content. Because of that, the pollution will be very less. Now we can discuss about conservation of natural resources. It is our responsibility to conserve natural resources. Now we are using plenty of natural resources and most of us are exploiting the natural resources. We need to stop this culture. For that, we need to conserve the natural resources. For that, drive at a constant and moderate speed as far as possible. No need to go in hurry. Please avoid overspeed. Switch off the engine at traffic light or at a place where you have to wait. Ensure correct tire pressure. You need to check the tire pressure also, which is one of the factors which is affecting mileage of car. How much distance a car can travel or a bike can travel with 1 liter of petrol. If the tire pressure is proper, then it will give more mileage. Ensure the regular maintenance of vehicle. It is very important. We need to maintain our vehicle. It will increase the mileage and it will increase the efficiency of vehicle. Subscribe our channel for getting instant notification of sample paper solution and support us for providing free online classes to everyone. www.winpointonlineclasses.com